Welcome friends. Today I will unbox this product. This is a glucometer and now I am unboxing it. Let's start. The box is opened and this is the glucometer. Here is the strip of 25. Let's cut it. So this is the glucometer strip and this is the glucometer. This is Dr. Morepen Gluco 1 blood glucose monitoring system, and the price of this is 1490, but I bought it from Flipkart by rupees 5. I will show you the bill. I have to cut it open. I bought it rupees 637. You can also buy this from Flipkart or Amazon with huge discount. Let's open it. The model number is BG03. There is one reference guide. This is the owner's booklet and this is the box. Now I am opening this. This is the machine. Gluco 1. This seal is broken already. This is very disappointing matter. And this is the battery space, and this is the pin. Some lancets are there to prick the hand, and this is the battery. You can see the battery. I am opening this also. Another this contains 25 sticks. You can also store it here, and the pen here and the machine here. So let's install the battery and make it on. This is the battery. I am installing it. After installing. It started, and you can see it. Thank you for watching. If you want to buy this product, I will give the link in the description box. Please like, share and comment, and if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.